Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Is your Venmo payment getting declined? Don't worry, here's how to fix it in just a few steps. First of all, make sure you have enough funds in your Venmo balance linked bank or card. Now, go to settings, then select payment methods and check if your bank or card is still valid and linked correctly. Venmo has sending limits. Make sure you haven't hit your daily or weekly limit. Your bank may have blocked the transaction for security reasons. Call them or check your bank app for alerts. If the issue persists, try another payment method or wait a bit before trying again. And that's it. Your Venmo should be working now. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.